Hey everyone, Jordan from Be Effective here, brought to you by Simple Dev Co. And today I'll be going over which is the better method of marketing, Google Ads or SEO. This will be a general overview of the pros and cons of both, as well as some further recommendations in order to get the most out of both choices. If you find this information useful and you want to incorporate either or both of these strategies into your marketing strategy in 2021, consider letting us help your business by visiting simpledevco.com, or you can shoot me an email at jordan@simpledevco.com and make sure to include the keyword simple to receive a special introductory rate. Let's get into it. Google Ads and SEO, or search engine optimization, both have their own benefits and drawbacks. They do similar things, but in vastly different ways. Google Ads is a pay-per-click campaign in which you're effectively bidding against other businesses and organizations. Based on a user's search, Google Ads will choose an advertisement to show, and this can vary widely in terms of cost and won't always give you the result that you're looking for. Search engine optimization, on the other hand, drives traffic to your website or blog organically. The way that it does this is by way of content creation that's specifically optimized for your relevant keywords in your industry, business, or organization. So if you create a piece of content, preferably long-form content or 10x content, I'll be going over that in a future video, you'll be more likely to attract your relevant audience that are searching for those keywords that you've optimized your content for. Search engine optimization is extremely powerful and incredibly important. When you're beginning the process of creating content for your website, you'll need to choose keywords that are relevant to your industry and niche that will attract your target audience. Now, it's not strictly the volume of traffic coming to your website every month that matters, but how qualified those visitors are to be your customers or clients. If you're an accident attorney in the United States, you probably wouldn't want 3,000 monthly visitors from Canada who are interested in a divorce attorney. It just wouldn't mesh. A huge bonus of SEO is that it takes a long time for the content that you write to become irrelevant. If you're following Google's Eat rule, you'll not only rank higher, but you'll stay there longer. I'll be going over Google's Eat rule much more in depth in a future video. Now, a small caveat to SEO is it takes a long time for your website to start ranking. It also takes a really long time to create the content, sometimes up to 6 hours to create a well-informed, authoritative piece of content that you'll be ranking for, and it can take up to 6 months to a year to start seeing that big traffic come in. So that's something to think about. The good news is that good things come to those who wait, and if you are diligent and you're creating content and you have a lot of it on your website, it's only a matter of time before those visitors start coming. So don't give up hope, keep chugging away and creating that content. The results will come. Google Ads can be incredibly effective, but also can be incredibly expensive. Now, if you're a business with a larger marketing budget and you don't mind spending a little bit of money to get results in the short term, you should hop right into Google Ads. Now, this isn't to say that Google Ads should only be used by businesses with larger marketing budgets, but if you're looking for the quick results and don't want to spend the time to get the exact keywords necessary for SEO, you can hop right into Google Ads before SEO, but I recommend creating content sooner rather than later because it will give you results in the long term. So which method is best for your business? If you're wondering which one to use or in what order to use both of them, my recommendation will change based on the size of your business, your budget, and your commitment to success in the long term. The first is the most bang for your buck. If you're just starting out and you have very little money, but you have a lot of time, maybe you work a main job and this is just your side hustle, you should probably get into SEO first because you don't have that big of a budget. By creating quality content, you'll be attracting your target audience and you can generate them into leads. Once you can change these leads into paying clients and you'll start seeing more money flow into your accounts, that's when you should probably start a pay-per-click campaign that supports your website. An important note here is even if you're wildly successful with SEO and you're very confident in your ability to set up a pay-per-click campaign, you should always do A to B testing to make sure which type of ad is doing best. If you're a larger business or an individual with a lot of cash on hand, you should probably start with Google Ads first, but quickly move into SEO. If you're pressed for time and creating content with SEO just isn't in your realm of possibilities, it's in your best interest to hire a marketing agency to create relevant content and optimize it for your target audience's keyword searches. Now, Google Ads can quickly give results, but it can just as quickly eat up your budget. So my recommendation is to check it every 3 days or so to make sure it's not eating your entire wallet. An important note about Google Ads: even if your ad copy is amazing and people are actually clicking on your ad, they are not likely to change into paying customers or clients if your website is trash. So consider hiring a web designer to take advantage of their knowledge of correct funnel creation. And then when your pay-per-click campaign is actually generating site traffic, they'll be much more likely to convert or become paying customers because of your beautiful website. So that was a brief overview of the differences between Google Ads and SEO, as well as the benefits and drawbacks of both. Hopefully you learned a little bit more and this helps you come to an informed conclusion about which is best for your business right now. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Consider subscribing, liking this video, and turning on notifications to stay up to date with our newest releases. We do upload videos every Monday and Friday. And as always, if you don't have the time to do this yourself, creating a Google Ads campaign or sitting down and writing the content for your website to bring in organic traffic, consider letting us help your business by visiting simpledevco.com or shoot me an email at jordan@simpledevco.com and make sure to include the keyword simple to receive a special introductory rate. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.